So good afternoon students. In the previous class we did that one, the same sum, first sum we completed in this fifth Roman. What is the fifth Roman heading? Simplify and write in rational form. Already we did that sum, first sum is completed in this Roman in the previous class. Today we are doing this sum 5 by 4 whole square into 2 by 3 whole cube into minus 3 by 5 whole to the power of 3. So here we have to do that sum without applying formula or with applying formula. We have to check once. What is the rule of applying and without applying the rule of the formula? Bases are same or not, we have to check. In this one, bases. What are the bases here? 5 by 4, 2 by 3, 3 by 5. So bases are not equal. If the bases are not equal, what we have to do? We cannot apply that formula. If bases are same, we can apply the formula. If bases are not same, no, we cannot apply that any formula. So bases are not same here. So what we have to do that once? We have to write in expanded form. Why we are writing in expanded form means because of the bases are not same. Bases are not same means we have to write that one expanded form. Writing in expanded form 5 by 4 into 5 by 4. Why we wrote 5 by 4 into 5 by 4? Because here power is 2. So repeat that 5 by 4 2 times. The next fraction is given that once 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 power is how much? The power is 3. So we have to repeat 3 times. What we have to repeat 3 times? This is 2 by 3. Write that 2 by 3 3 times. 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into the last fraction is given at once. What is the last one? 3 by 5 and the power is 3. How many times you have to write this one? 3 times. Write it 3 times here, this one. That is minus 3 by 5 into minus 3 by 5 into minus 3 by 5. We have to repeat that one 3 times. 5 by 4 is 2 times. 2 by 3 is 3 times. Minus 3 by 5 is 3 times. Now what you have to write that once? See, first one is sign. Sign. What is that here sign? Minus, minus, minus. So multiply that sign first. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus is minus. Sign is completed. Now any cancellations are there means do the cancellation. 5, 5. Again here 5, 5. And 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. So 2 table. 2 one time, 2 times. 2 table 2 one time, 2 times. 2 table 2 is 2 times. So here any cancellations are there? Nothing is there. In the numerators what is left? 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 total is 1 by denominator is having only 2. So 2 into 5. 2 into 5. That answer is minus 1, 5. 5 to 10. So if that given one is not, the bases are same, we have to apply that rule of expansion form. Why we have to apply the rule of expansion form is because of bases are not same means we cannot apply the formula. So formulas cannot applicable means we have to take that expanded form. So taking of expansion form 2 times afterwards cancellation, first sign, next numbers. The numerator is having only 1, denominator is having 2 and 5. 2 5s are 10. So this is the answer for this sum. Here is our next sum C1s. So here is the given sum minus 3 by 4 whole to the power of 3 into minus 5 by 2 whole to the power of 3 into 2 by 3 whole to the power of 5. First of all we have to check in this exponent chapter bases are same or not. Check out the bases. The base is 3 by 4, 5 by 2, 2 by 3. Bases are not same. If bases are not same, what we have to do? We have to expand that form. So solution for this sum, solution expanding minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 by 4 into this 3 by 4 repeated 3 times. Why? Because power is given 3. This 5 by 2 how many times you have to write? 5 by 2 you have to write 3 times. Minus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 into minus 5 by 2 into up to here we wrote. The last fraction is 2 by 3. This one how many times you have to write means 5 times. Because of the power is 5. So we have to write that one 5 times into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. We have to write it one 5 times. This 3 by 4 is 3 times, 5 by 2 is 3 times, 2 by 3 is 5 times. Now sign, coming to the sign, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 minus means it is a plus. Cancellation of 3. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Again, what is that? 5 it is not cancelling, and 2 table 2 4 times. 2 2 times. 2 2 times. 2 2 times. Again cancellation 2 2 2 2 2 and 2. So numerator is having 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 2. Coming to the denominators, first one is not there, second one is not there, third one is not there, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, last is 3 into 3. So multiply that once. 5 2 is 10, 5 2 is 10. 10 tens are 100 into 5, 500 by 9. Changing into mixed fraction form, 9 5s are 45, 9 4s are 5s are 45. Again 55 times 5 5 by 9. 55 5 by 9. So see this one here. Write in expanded form properly. This full line is that this numerator and denominator cancellation. Answer is 55 5 by 9. See here this sum. 7 by 11 whole to the power of 6 divided by 7 by 11 whole to the power of 3. Before doing of these exponential sums, we have to check that one bases. What are the bases here? 7 by 11, 7 by 11. Both are of same base. Previously I said that one bases are not same expansion. Bases are same. We have to apply the rule of the formula. What is the rule of formula here? Division is there. Division means related to quotient law. What the quotient law will says? The quotient law will says us about to do the subtraction. That means bases are same under division. Bases are same under division. Powers we have to do subtraction. Bases are same under division. Powers we have to do subtraction. So take that one subtraction sum. 7 by 11 whole to the power of 6 by 7 by 11 whole to the power of 3. Bases are same under division. Powers we have to subtract. Before doing of subtraction, we have to check that one. Where is the highest power? In the numerator or in denominator? Where is the highest one? Where is the highest one? Numerator is having 6, denominator is having 3. So the highest one is in the numerator. Subtract in the numerator. 7 by 11. Write that one first fraction. 7 by 11 whole to the power of 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. That is 7 by 11 whole to the power of. So here that 7 by 11 whole to the power of 3. In the previous sums bases are not same, but in this question bases are same. What is the base? 7 by 11, 7 by 11. If bases are same, we have to apply the rule of formula. What is the rule of formula? Bases are same under division. Powers we have to subtract. Before doing of subtraction, check that powers. Where is the highest power? Whether in the numerator or in denominator. The highest power is in the numerator, so subtract in the numerator power. That is 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. With this sum, answer is not completed. What is the given question here for us? Simplify. So one part is completed. Simplify and write in rational form. But we stopped at the power form, exponent form only. They asked that one in the form of rational form. What is called rational number means only numerator and denominator without consisting of powers. So we have to remove the power this one. How to remove the power this one? By making that one expansion form. Taking off expansion form. This 7 by 11 we have to repeat. How many times you have to repeat? So 3 times. Why? Because power is 3. So write that one 7 by 11 into 7 by 11 into 7 by 11. Now only previous sum we did that one. 7 7s are 49. 49 7s are 343. 343 by 11 11s are 121. So 11 11s are 121 into 11, multiply that one. 11 1s are 11. 11 2s are 22. 3 3 1 3 3. 11 1s are 11. 12 13. That is 1311. So the answer for this sum is here. Once again see this one. Bases are same. So we have to apply the rule. Bases are same under division. Powers we have to subtract. Before doing subtraction, taking out that one highest numerator power. With this sum is not completed, they asked it in the form of rational number. That means no power we want. How to remove the power means by doing of multiplication we have to do that once. 7 into 7 into 7 by 11 into 11 into 11. Multiplication is 7 7s are 49. 49 7s 343. 11 11s are 121. 121 into 11 is 1331. So this is called expanded form of numbers. If the number form is given to do that one exponent form means we have to take that one LCM model in the prime factor method and we have to do that once. In the prime factor method we have to do. So here is our next sum, see that. Okay, here is the next model of the sum, but heading is same. Simplify and express as rational. Here bases are not same anyway, so we have to change that one. Bases are same or not, we have to check. Here no bases are same. What we have to do, that means expanded form. Bases are same means we can go with that formula. Bases are not same means we have to do that one with the expansion form. So I am taking that one expansion form. Solution. Expansion form means writing of number. 10 power 2. 2 means we have to write that 10 two times. 2 times. 10 into 10. That 10 is completed. 10 into 10 is completed. Next one is 15 power 3. 15 power 3. That means 15 power 3. This is called power 3. So repeat that 15. How many times? 3 times. 15. 15 into 15. So numerator part is completed. I am coming for the denominator part. What is in the denominator part? The denominator part is having 2 power 2. Power 2. 2 means we have to write 2 times. 2 into 2 into. This 3 is having power. Here 10 power 2. 10 power is 3. 2 power is 2. 3 is having power. 3 is having any power? No. So write that 3 as 3 only. 3 into 5 is having power? Yes sir. How much is the 5 is having power? 5 power 5. That means 5 we have to write 5 times. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 6 power 4. Power is 4. So write that 6 4 times. 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. 4 times 6 we have to write. Now cancellation. So 5 table. 5 ones are, 5 threes are, 5 ones are, 5 threes are, 5 ones are, 5 threes are. That is completed. Now 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 10 is 2 times, 5 ones are 5, 10 is 2 times. Now that is completed, that one. What I did means with using of 5 table I cancel that one, 5 and 15, 5 and 10. Afterwards cancellation of 2 and 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. Completed. 3, 3. Again 3 table. This is 6 is here we are having 2. This 3 2 times. So numerator is having no other numbers. That means 1 by denominator is left that one 6 2 2 6. 6 into 2 into 2 into 6. 1 by 6 2s are 12. 12 2s are 24. 24 into 6. So here multiplication 6 2s are 12. 12 12s are 144. Answer is 144. The answer for this sum is 144. Like this form we have to do that one sum. Expanded form. Why we are taking expanded form is because of that bases are not same. So we have to take that one expanded form and writing that sum. So with this sum for sums today's CW is completed. So you have to prepare for exam. Already sent that one syllabus for you. So be prepared for that once.